Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer, perfect for managing separate game libraries or family sharing. First, open the Steam app and log in with your first account. Next, click the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Change Account. Tick the confirmation box and click Continue. Steam will restart. Once it reopens, click Add Account and log in with your second account. Now you can switch between accounts anytime without reinstalling or logging out completely. And that's it. You've just learned how to use two Steam accounts on one computer easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.